Hello everyone, Edwin here, and today I'm going to show you how to use literacy application that is on SmilePi. Before, let's first connect our SmilePi. If you are online, go to the web browser of your choice, and then on the URL address bar, just enter 196.1.43.131.13 and then press enter to bring you to this page, the application page. If you have connected your SmilePi locally, go to your network icon and connect it from there. It will show you there is no internet, but you will be able to access all the contents inside it. It is serving you the content that is inside it, doesn't access internet. Okay. After that, come here and type start dot here and press enter. Come and enter your name to log yourself in. And then you're logged in. And then scroll down. Scroll down to the literacy application. Here they are. Now literacy application has 6 items. It has books and fantastic phonics majorly, and it has books from different organizations, and the books are focused on early learners. For example, it has African story books that are written by kids. It has cats and dog fun books. It has children's book. It has Project Gutenberg. It has Seed of Empowerment book. These are all books written for kids who are learning how to read and write. Then Fantastic Phonics is for teaching those ones who are learning how to read. For example, those ones who are learning how to pronounce the word or pronounce the sound of the letter. It's where you get them in the Fantastic Phonics. So let's check them briefly. Literacy application there's the African story books. Let's open and check. It has books that are written for kids. The books are basic, and it has easy stories that a child can easily read and understand. For example, first word book, those ones who are learning the first word. As you can see, the books are here. Let's check one. So these books, you can even download them or print them because they are in PDF formats. So as you can see, easy stories that can easily be understood by the learners. Now you can download these books and print them if you want to. It has breakfast, brown, then let's first go back. Then first sentence, then first paragraph. So if they have learned first word very well, they can jump to the next step, that is first sentence. And it has the books about them. So if they have mastered, they know how to read the first sentence books, they can go back. They can proceed to the next level, that is first paragraph, then longer paragraph, and then read aloud. Yeah? So that is African story books. Then it has cat and dog fun books. It also has levels like the one of African story books, like first 3-letter words until the last one is when they can read the full story and understand. Yeah. So, for example, let me open the first one. It gives you also a PDF format books that you can print out or download on your device and read them later when you are not connected on SmilePi. As you can see, these are the stories. Easy to read and very fun. The last number level 12, let's check. Level 12 is they're in form of a flashcard. The kids are supposed to play them, They are stories, but it is a little bit, the levels are not the same as the first level. So for the kid to reach here, they should have first mastered the earlier levels all. Then Seed of Empowerment. These are stories, as you can see. Seed of Empowerment bookshelf. It has lots of books. These books are written by kids around the world. They've done a compilation. This one was done in Uganda, as you can see. This one was done in Uganda by Janet Nakazi, one of the schools in Kampala. So kids, while they learn how to read and write, they write. We can encourage them to write stories, and these stories can be compiled and later on put back on the Smile Pie for other learners to read through. So it has very many books as well. So these books are also downloadable, just like these other ones. You can download them or print them. You can download them or print them if you want. This one was written by, I think, a kid from South America. No, Palestine. Yeah. Written from a kid from Palestine. So it is a compilation of stories written by kids from different countries, which is very good. And it gives us opportunity to read it gives our learners opportunities to read different culture, get exposed to different cultures as they read the stories. Yeah. Then it has my favorite one is here. Learn and practice reading. Now this fantastic phonics is a 3-level series or 3-level or 3-series sort of for different learning levels. So series 1 is for first word learners, and it has easy 3-letter words mostly. So for example, in series 1 it has 20 books, and each book has a story video, a phonics video, phonics videos, fun word games, read along videos, word skills, word search, open and print PDFs. Open and print PDFs are, let me open one and show you. So this one, basically the same thing that they've been learning. You print them and then they learn to write them. Okay, so let's go to the first word book and we see. First word book, it has, let's check on video story.
The cat. The fat rat. The fat bat. The fat rat sat on a mat.
Okay, so the video stories, they play the video and tell the story of what is happening in the video. The fat bat, fat rat sat on a mat. It is a story, but as it says the story as the learner is seeing what is happening in the video. On the phonics videos, It teaches us how to sound the letters.
B, the word bird, letter A, and the in Fantastic Phonics reading program. Here we've got A, and the word apple starts with the letter A, and the sound is A. B, the word bird starts with the letter B, and the sound is B.
Yeah, that is a letter sound, so it teaches the learners on how to sound the letter. So the learners can watch and then later on try out, write the letter A and try to sound it just like the way they were doing it in the video. And on these fun word games, this game is for learners to practice what they have been learning, especially in the video sound. I mean phonics video. This is how they play it. Just start here and then click OK.
K-a-t, cat.
So after hearing the word k-a-t, cat, the learner has to look for each sound and align them. K, as you can see,
The.
So it is T-H-E, the, t. So T-H-E,
R-a-t, rat.
so this is rat, r-a-t, rat. So r is R, a is A, t is T.
Ah.
So that's a fun word game. So it's very fun. As you keep playing, it keeps the kid engaged. But as they're playing, they're learning how to sound the words. It's another fun word game here. This one requires a computer. So if a learner is using a computer, it's much easier to play. So this one, you shoot the letter. So if you recognize the letter, you shoot. Let's try just for a bit. I can see rat, I can see lap, I can see 6. So I recognize the letter L-A-P. P, there is S-I-X, there is R-A-T. I'm done. I'm going to the next level. I can see lead, run, bet. I'm going to level 3. I can see cap, red, jig, tap. Red, jig, then tap. Now, this game not only allows the learners to recognize the letter, but also teaches them how to type. Because as they play, they have to enter the key from the keyboard. They have to enter the words, the letters from the keyboard. So it will teach them how to type, at the same time teach them how to read. Then read a long video. Read along videos, it pronounces the word, and then you have to pronounce after it like this.
And.
And.
Away.
Away.
Big.
Big.
Can.
So this one, all you have to do is repeat after it, just like the way they do it in the classroom. Repeat after it like that, and to teach you how to read as well. Then word skills. Word skill, you have to listen, play the sound, listen to the word, type it. So the word that you've heard, you type it like this. So you play the sound, sorry, that one is not playing. So sorry, this one is not playing. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try and reload it. Cut on the mat. Start. Okay. So unfortunately, it's not playing. But this one, it plays the sound. You hear it, and then you type the word that, or the letter that you heard there. So if it is a cat, you have to type the word cat inside there and click OK. Then word skills. Put these letters in A to Z order. So you arrange them in alphabetical order basically. So you click this. Take up A, B, C, D, E, and then click OK. Correct. So if you know alphabetical order, this is, you can play this E, F, G, E, F, G, H, I, like that. So it's also fun to play. So you just keep arranging them, and as you do, you're learning. You're learning where each letter is supposed to be, the position of each letter. Then, lastly, word search. Word search. This one, you have to search for the words inside that puzzle. So, like for example, there are words like and, ant, any, bat, cat, fat. So let's see. I can see and here, ant here. I can see cat here. I can see fat. Fat, where are you? Bat is here. So yeah. So as you can see, so the learners are supposed to look for the word inside here. If they can recognize them, they're learning how to. So let's see. Show all the words. So it will be like that at the end of the day. So yeah. So this is literacy application, and it is very helpful to our learners. So let's use it during this lockdown to teach them how to read and write. Let's download the books if we can. Let them read them during the time they cannot access the Smile Pie. Let them read the books so that they are studying even when they are at home right now. So thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one. Thank you. God bless you.